The 159-bed Appelsbosch hospital has been closed for more than a month. Health authorities say the community protest put patients and staff at risk. Patients have been transferred to other hospitals. Nurses and other workers are sitting at home with full pay. Protesters were aggrieved by the employment of general workers from other areas, while youth unemployment is rife locally. The closure of the hospital has impacted especially cardiac and cancer patients.
We are concerned that our hospital is closed because we as the community, we are now suffering. However, in our area, we have the hospital and the TVET college. These two facilities are the primary source of employment for locals. So if they hire people coming from outside our area, that angers the community.
The local traditional leadership has also weighed in.
Management. They did not tell me what is happening in the hospital. In fact, people are looking for pills and everything. They are suffered by many different diseases, but now they don't get any help or assistance.
We learned that workers at the hospital, through their unions, said they will not be able to work without the porters. On the other hand, the community is calling for the removal of the 9 people who have been recently employed. As leaders, we are very concerned that there are people who are on chronic medication at the moment who are unable to access their medication.
The Provincial Department of Health says it's trying to resolve the impasse.
The challenge is that the community there has been making some demands, and we have then taken a decision to close the hospital because of the risks that we have experienced, risks on the property of the government and risk also on our own staff. We, however, are arranging a meeting with the leadership, particularly the mayor around Appelsbosch and Amakosi in the area, so that we discuss the issues and we will then be able to reopen the institution.
Community protests have disrupted services at several KwaZulu-Natal hospitals. Montobelo Hospital in KwaMaphumulo was closed after residents protested against the admission of COVID-19 patients. Last month, community members at Ozwathini outside Ulundi protested and burnt parts of Nkonjeni Hospital, demanding jobs for locals. SABC News, Ozwathini.